Y'all, I just got me a bird cage and I'm putting it together myself. I got 2 birds, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I'm gonna put this in there. I'm still fixing up stuff. So, and there go my 2 birds for right now. Look at their food I'm supposed to feed. So I got these little cup things right here. So be back in a moment. Okay, so now I'm finna put I put the cage together, but I don't think I did it right because this little side right here is out. So I have Lucas come do that. I don't know, but for right now they can't get out, so that little space. And I'm about to put them in right now. Hold on, y'all. I got one in there, y'all. There she go. I'm gonna name her Snow White. Hi, Snow White. I'm getting 4 of them, y'all. And I'm gonna get a bigger cage. This is only for right now. My second one, y'all. I don't know what to name you yet, but to name you Snow White, and I don't know what to name you yet. Let me put it up. I did it. I did it. Look at them, they shy, but I'm gonna get you together, babies. I'm gonna get my babies together, trust them. Yep. Alright, y'all. Happy Friday.